Installing the Fuser maintenance kit on the Dell 5210n and 5310n printers. Before you begin the procedure, be sure you turn your printer off and allow it to cool for 30 minutes. Switch the power off and remove the power cord. Remove the redrive cap, the Fuser cover wick, and then remove the rear redrive door. There are 2 screws located on the rear redrive. Remove those 2 screws. Once the screws are removed, you can locate the 2 clips on the top portion of the redrive, squeeze the clips, and the redrive will pull away from the unit. There are 2 tabs, one on each side of the Fuser. Remove the 2 screws on the tabs. Remove the Fuser sensor cable and remove the Fuser power cable. Your Fuser will slide out and you can guide the power cable out of the side frame. Take your new Fuser and remove the wedges that hold the spring tension on the new Fuser. Once the wedges are removed, you can slide the Fuser in. Take your power cable and slide it through the side frame. Plug in the power cable and route the cable through the guides. Slide the Fuser in, locate your sensor cable, plug it into the connector, and then also route it through the guides and slide the Fuser all the way in. Replace your 2 screws on each side. Reinstall your rear redrive. It will snap in place. Reinsert your screws. You can snap in then the rear redrive door, the Fuser cover wick, and then the redrive cap. Move around to the front of the unit, lower your multipurpose tray and open the front cover. Pull out your toner cartridge and locate the transfer roller located in the bottom, and you can pop the left side out with a flat blade screwdriver. Lift out the left side and then the right side. Take your new transfer roller. Be careful not to touch any surfaces on the transfer roller. Drop it in on the right, then the left, and it will snap down in. Now if you push down the top door, you'll see the charge roller drop down. You can spread the clip and the charge roller will come away from the retaining clip on each side. Take your new charge roller and insert it into the unit. Again, don't touch any of the surfaces of the charge roller. It will snap in on the right and then the left. Reinsert your toner cartridge, close the top cover and the multi-purpose tray, and then you can pull your paper tray out and locate the pick arm. Drop down the pick arm, you'll see the 2 tires. The tires will come off the shaft. If you push the clip, they come off the shaft. You can replace the tires. When you do so, make sure the arrows are down pointing toward you and line them up with the guides on the shaft. They snap right back on. Reinsert your paper tray. Now with the printer off, you want to hold in the check and the right arrow button and then turn on the power. When you see the dots, you can then remove your fingers from the check and the right arrow. And you will be entering the config menu. Once you see the config menu, hit the down arrow once. Press check on reset maintenance count. Press check again. It will reset the maintenance counter. Now that it's reset, you want to press back and then down arrow until you see exit config menu, and then press check. The printer will reset and come up to the ready state, and the procedure is complete.